Hey, I'm Mark with CD3 Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the vacuum float switch. We've had problems with our CD3 Systems vacuum float switch, turning the vacuum off. Now, what this operates is the vacuum tank's capacity. When it reaches the very top, there's an automatic float switch that's triggered, similar to a toilet. Now, when that's triggered, it doesn't allow the vacuum to turn on anymore. So as you can see with this CD3 system, currently the vacuum light is blinking at a 2 hertz per second rate. When you hear the clicking noise, it doesn't turn on. What I'm going to go through is the method to cut out the switch and make it so it bypasses the float switch.
Tools needed for this job are a stripper, a nipper, a connector of some sort, or if you want to just wire it together, and some heat shrink.
So I'm at the back of a CD3 Wayside solar unit right now. The first thing you're going to need to be able to do is access the back top hatch. This one's already unlocked. Within the vac tank, there's only 2 sets of wires going to 2 separate components on the top of the lid. One is the ultrasonic sensor that tells you the capacity of the tank, and the other is that float switch we're going to address. If you come on over here, you can take a quicker look. When you look inside the unit, the yellow is the ultrasonic sensor. That tells the capacity of the vacuum tank. Behind that, next to the vacuum motor, there's a gray switch. This gray switch is currently disconnected right now. This is the float switch connector, and we're going to go through how to bypass that.
We're inside a CD3 unit. To access the plug, you can either access it through the upper hatch or inside the unit. It's recommended you go inside the unit. The steps to bypass the float switch, the first step is to cut the zip tie. This gives you access to the Deutsch connector. Now separate the connector. Now what we're going to do is cut off the lead side, which is on the right hand side when you're inside the unit. Cut the 2 wires that are on the back side of it. Now the next step is to strip the wires and then connect them together.
So with the float switch bypass, we've tricked the system into thinking that it's operating at normal capacity. Go out and try the vacuum. It should operate and pulse at a 1 hertz rate. Thanks again for choosing CD3 Systems. Look forward to helping you next time.